BlackRock lines up $2 billion for spot Bitcoin ETF launch. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has reportedly lined up more than $2 billion for its spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund within days of launch. Vaneck's head of digital assets research and a Bloomberg ETF analyst have independently verified with their sources that BlackRock has a big day one capital lined up for its spot Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock prepares for big day one of spot Bitcoin ETF launch. The world's largest asset manager has reportedly lined up $2 billion in capital for its upcoming spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund launch, according to Vaneck's head of digital assets research, Matthew Sigel. Vaneck is among the asset managers that have filed to launch a spot Bitcoin ETF with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. BlackRock, Vaneck, and 9 other spot Bitcoin ETF applicants are waiting for the green light from the SEC to launch spot Bitcoin ETFs. Sigel revealed during an X Space discussion hosted by The Block on Friday. I heard from a pretty well-placed source that BlackRock has more than $2 billion lined up in week 1 in new incremental flows from existing Bitcoin holders who are adding to positions. However, Sigel noted, I can't vouch for that. But that's what everyone is doing. Just making phone calls and trying to find the folks who can write checks into these products. The Vaneck head of digital assets research added. If that $2 billion happened in week 1, that would blow away our estimates. He clarified that his asset management firm has predicted $2.5 billion of capital to flow into spot Bitcoin ETFs in the first quarter of trading. We're at $2.5 billion in the first quarter of trading, which we do by looking at the past flows into the first gold ETF and adjusting by the U.S. money supply, he explained, emphasizing. We have a $40 billion market opportunity over 2 years based on the similar analysis. In December last year, BlackRock revealed in an SEC filing a plan to seed its spot Bitcoin ETF with $10 million on January 3. In October last year, the asset manager seeded its spot Bitcoin ETF with $100,000. BlackRock has named Jane Street and JP Morgan as authorized participants for its spot Bitcoin ETF. Commenting on BlackRock lining up $2 billion for its spot Bitcoin ETF launch, Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas said on X, it would be on brand for BlackRock. They've lined up and injected big cash into new ETFs on the first day of trading so it registers as volume flows. If it's true, $2 billion would blow away all first-day week volume own records for an ETF. The analyst then noted that out of the 25 most successful ETF launches of all time, BlackRock dominates the top 10. This is lined up cash, hence why I say on brand. This is what they do, he stressed. Moreover, the analyst emphasized. I got a second source to confirm Matt's claim that they have big day $1 lined up. According to Fox Business, BlackRock expects its spot Bitcoin ETF to be approved by Wednesday, the deadline for the SEC's decision on Cathie Wood's ARK Invest in 21 shares spot Bitcoin ETF proposal. The securities regulator is expected to greenlight multiple spot Bitcoin ETFs simultaneously. Do you think BlackRock has lined up more than $2 billion for its spot Bitcoin ETF within days of launch? Let us know in the comments section.